Today I am going to teach you about prime numbers and composite numbers.
Oh, you are going to teach about numbers again?
Yes, learning about numbers is really interesting and fun. Don't you think so?
Mm,
Do you know about prime numbers?
yes, I know. Can I tell?
Okay.
1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11.
Hey, wait. These are all odd numbers. These are not prime numbers.
Then what are prime numbers?
I will tell you. Listen carefully. Prime numbers are whole numbers greater than 1 that have only two factors, 1 and the number itself. A prime number is the one which has exactly two factors, which means it can be divided by only 1 and the number itself. But 1 is not a prime number because the number 1, we know that it has only one factor, that is 1. 1 is divisible by only one number, so it cannot be a prime number because prime numbers should have exactly two factors, 1 and itself. 2 is a prime number because it has two factors, 1 and the number itself, that is 2. 1 into 2 is equal to 2. 2 into 1 is equal to 2. So, the factors of 2 are 1 and 2. 2 is the smallest prime number. It is also the only even prime number. Other even numbers are not prime numbers as it can be divided by 2. 3. 3 is a prime number because number 3 also has two factors, 1 and the number itself, that is 3. 5 is a prime number. Any number greater than 5 that ends with 5 can be easily divided by 5. So it cannot be considered as a prime number. In other words, if a number cannot be divided into equal groups, then it is a prime number. We can divide a number into groups with equal number of items only if it can be factorized as a product of two numbers. For example, 7 cannot be divided into groups of equal numbers. This is because 7 can only be factorized as follows. 7 into 1 is equal to 7. 1 into 7 is equal to 7. This means 1 and 7 are the only factors of 7. So, 7 is a prime number because it could not be divided into groups of equal numbers. The first few prime numbers are 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, and 29. One of the most famous Greek mathematicians, Euclid, examined prime numbers in 300 BC. Euclid recorded a proof that there is no largest prime number, as there are infinitely many prime numbers. Properties of prime numbers. A prime number is a whole number greater than 1. It has exactly two factors, that is, 1 and the number itself. There is only one even prime number, that is 2. All other even numbers can be divided by 2. Any two prime numbers are always co-prime to each other. Every number can be expressed as the product of prime numbers. All prime numbers are odd numbers apart from 2. But all odd numbers are not prime numbers. For example, 1, 9, 15, 21, and so on. Let's study about composite numbers. Do you know what is a composite number?
Yes, I know. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10.
Hey, those are not composite numbers. Those are even numbers. You seem to know only odd and even numbers. I will tell you about composite numbers. Okay? A composite number has more than two factors, which means apart from getting divided by 1 and the number itself, it can also be divided by at least one more positive integer. For example, 4. 4 is a composite number because it has three factors. 1 into 4 is equal to 4, 2 into 2 is equal to 4. So factors of 4 are 1, 2, 4. 9 is a composite number. Factors of 9 are 1 into 9 is equal to 9. 3 into 3 is equal to 9. So factors of 9 are 1, 3 and 9. I hope it is clear to you. Types of composite numbers. Odd composite numbers. Every odd integer which is not a prime number is known as odd composite numbers. For example, 9, 15, 21, 25, 27 are odd composite numbers. Even composite numbers. Every even integer which is not a prime number is known as even composite numbers. For example, 4, 6, 8, 10 and 12 are even composite numbers. That means all even numbers except 2 are even composite numbers. Properties of composite numbers. Composite numbers are the set of natural numbers which have 3 or more than 3 factors. 4 is the smallest composite number. A composite number with 3 different factors is known as spanning number. Every composite number can be written as product of 2 or more prime numbers. All even numbers except 2 are composite numbers. The numbers 0 and 1 are neither considered as a prime number nor a composite number. List of prime numbers from 1 to 100. List of composite numbers from 1 to 100. Quiz time. Which is the number that is neither a prime nor a composite? Second one. How many prime numbers are there between 1 to 100? Question number 3. How many composite numbers are there between 1 to 50? Question number 4. Which is the smallest composite number? Question number 5. Is 0 a composite or prime number? Sixth question. Which is the only even prime number?
Do write your answers in the comment section below and click on the like and subscribe button if you haven't yet.
A person who never made a mistake, never tried anything new. Thanks for watching.